Good afternoon. My name is Kyle Douglas McCall. I go by my middle name, which is Doug, and I want to thank you for the opportunity to present to you a little bit about the company that I am employed by and have been for nearly 10 years. The company's name is Sodexo, Sodexo, and we represent quality of life services. I'm doing this video in regard to my organizational theory course led by Dr. Jimmy Flores. And I want to thank you again for the opportunity to provide organizational values that we provide to our employees, our clients, and our partners. A little bit about organizational definition and the history of Sodexo. It began in Paris, France in 1959 as a small family food catering business. And we now employ globally over 460,000 employees and touch the lives of more than 100 million customers on a daily basis. We've expanded from the food services and dietary, which was the origin of the company, to include mechanical, electrical, plumbing, maintenance, engineering services, energy management, and construction services. We're serving the markets of healthcare, corporate facilities, pharmaceuticals, financial and banking industries, K through 12 and higher education, and also the seniors market. We now have over 160,000 of those global employees within North America, and we have 13,000 sites, and we manage about $9.6 billion in revenue during the FY 2018 year. Our organization is defined by service and quality of life, which has been the mainstay from the time that Pierre Boulogne created the company. And the services we provide make life better for our own staff, our clients, our vendors, and our consumers. The chief concern of the organization, first and foremost, working to improve the quality of life and helping others to be more satisfied and productive in their individual organizational lives. We bring these values through our specific managerial behaviors, a commitment to dedication of Sodexo employees to include service spirit, team spirit, and spirit of progress, which we reward people handsomely for. We act collaboratively. We are our clients. We know their business. We believe in their business. We know what makes their business go, how they make their money, and we help them with that. Our commitment to improve the business environment is dynamic and ever changing, so we have to stay abreast of changes for our clients. We develop and grow, stay abreast of these changes in environment, people, and technology. We are a technology company. We dare to think innovatively. The reason our clients hire us to begin with is we understand their business. We know where they've been. We know what the trends are in the market, and we know where they're going. We say we like to challenge ourselves with humility. We're looking for today and building for a better tomorrow. It's just a natural tendency within our organization. And of course, you need to be able to measure the effectiveness of our services. So we look first and foremost at our quality of life, making every day a better day. We strive to improve 10% year over year, and that's through understanding what our clients are doing, what their next level of development is going to be, and service offerings they have. We have innovation targets specializing in our clients' business, product growth and development that they have, and we target the implementation of those. And we look for 5% innovation targets annually with all of our employees. Our service measurements for our service catalog and scope of service are based on service level agreements, which tells specifically how we're going to deliver that scope of service. And we have KPIs, or key process indicators, that measure the effectiveness of that service or those services. With safety, of course, first and foremost, a zero incident safety culture, and it's measured by lost time injury rates, and we strive to keep that below 1.0, which is a percentage of our total employee base within North America and Canada. Our financial health, of course, you always have to measure, and we strive for our budgets to be in line on time, all the time. And with regard to margin, profit, and EBIT, we strive for our margin to be plus 10% year over year. We look for profit to grow at 15% year over year. And we look at our EBIT, which is earnings before income and taxes, to be managed to that amount of revenue. With regard to policies and procedures, we currently have a program called Ambition 2025. So it's looking out over the next 5 years or so. Most importantly, again, is implementing and improving our zero accident health and safety and environment culture. Human resources and corporate safety are responsible for these by policy and by training and education and procedures. There's a monthly training that must be provided throughout our business. And we also have to capture lost time injuries, injuries that are not lost time or minor injuries, and more importantly, near misses, because near misses are a great educational opportunity. So we tell our employees it's not a shame to nearly have an accident. If you've been able to avoid it, we want to share what you did with other employees. Learning and learning and development on a global program. We have Ingenium, which is geared to each region or country in which we are, and development teams have policies and procedures around healthcare, HR benefits, HR practices, hiring, our talent acquisition, and all of those things that we have to provide. We define and implement measures that materially impact our employees' quality of life through our global human resources policies. We boost our sales culture and sales effectiveness, sales and operations through a procedure 2.1 through 2.6 structure, which I was fortunate to be involved in developing over the last 2.5 years. And it takes from the targeting of a new client to qualifying that client to establishing a relationship to selling that client to managing for that client the operations and ultimately to renewing that account. We look at developing quality of life offers, including building a retail service that's a lot of kiosks around the country and airports and other places where you've seen them where you can purchase things right out of a machine. And we also have the opportunity to manage many of our clients' stores where they sell hats, jackets, office paraphernalia, and different products that they manage. So we develop enhanced service capabilities through our research and development policies. We have policies set for improving Sodexo and improving our clients' business as well. We engage our clients and consumers through our consistent communication of marketing and development and our Clients for Life policies and procedures. Our Clients for Life holds us to accountability with our client, showing the true measurements of what we provide, showing them improvements year over year, how we're enhancing their business, and of course, how we're growing Sodexo along with our client. So we take full advantage of digital opportunities as well. We invest very heavily in research and development, and we have policies around that as well. And we are a technology company, so data, information, warehousing, the data warehouse, the big data concept, and being able to pull everything together that we can to improve the quality of life, again, for our clients, for our employees, for our vendor partners, and our consumers. And we do a great job of that, and I'm very proud of the work that Sodexo does with that regard. So with that, I want to thank you for the opportunity to present Sodexo to you. It's a very good company, very caring company, and we truly embrace our clients and our consumers, our vendor partners, and the public. And we also associate ourselves with the triple bottom line, with the environment, with green savings, and things like diversity and inclusion, and all of the things that affect the public sector we're involved heavily in. Thank you again for the opportunity and have a quality day.